In this video, I'm going to show you shortcut key to convert data to picture in Excel. So firstly, keep your cursor here, then press Ctrl A. Now press Ctrl C to copy this data. Now press Alt key on your keyboard. Press and hold Alt, then H, then V. Now here press U. So you will see your data is converted into picture. You can keep and you can save it once you right click on it. So save as picture and you can open it like this. If you see color combination, so make another color here. And once you double click on it, this picture property will open and you can apply all settings for picture. So thanks for watching.